In this video, I'll guide you through how to assign a task to someone in Microsoft To Do. Whether you're managing a small project, organizing teamwork, or just sharing responsibilities with a colleague, being able to quickly assign tasks is essential. We'll walk through two simple ways to do this, one using the Task Details panel and another using a handy shortcut while you're typing the task name. Let's start with the first method, using the Detail menu. Go ahead and open Microsoft To Do and navigate to the list where your task lives. This might be a shared list you use with your team or any list that multiple people have access to. From here, click on the specific task you want to assign. When you click it, you'll see a detail panel open on the right side of your screen. This detail panel is where you manage everything related to that task. Due dates, reminders, notes, and of course, who it's assigned to. Take a moment to look around this panel if you're not familiar with it yet. It's the central place to fine-tune your task. Within this panel, look for the option labeled Assign To. Click on that and you'll see a list of members who are part of this shared list or workspace. These are the people you can assign the task to. Simply choose the person's name from that list. As soon as you select their name, the task will be assigned to them. They'll see that it's now their responsibility, and you'll still be able to track it as part of the shared list. This method is great when you're reviewing tasks one by one or when you want to double check all the details before assigning it. It also helps if you prefer a more visual, step-by-step way of working. Now let's move on to the second method, which is often faster, using the @ shortcut while you're creating a task. This is especially useful when you're quickly jotting down tasks and already know who should handle them. Start by creating a new task in Microsoft To Do, just like you normally would. As you type the task name, when you're ready to assign it, type the @ symbol, then immediately start typing the person's name. For example, you might type something like finish report at, and then start typing the person's name. As you type, Microsoft To Do will recognize that you're trying to assign the task and will match that to someone in your shared list members. Once you see the correct name appear, select it if needed, or simply finish typing and hit enter. Microsoft To Do will automatically create the task and assign it to that person in one step. This saves you from having to open the detail panel separately. This shortcut is perfect for quick planning sessions or when you're capturing tasks on the fly and don't want to break your flow by clicking around. Just remember, this works best when the person is already a member of the shared list or group where you're adding the task. So to recap, you can assign tasks in Microsoft To Do by using the detail panel and selecting Assign To, or by typing the @ symbol followed by the person's name directly in the task title. Use whichever method fits your workflow best, and you'll keep your team's responsibilities clear and